Hello everyone, my name is Pralo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are seeing an incredible pump right now. And as you can see in the price, went from 27K all the way to $28,000. So a really nice pump of a few percent. I mean, for the bear market, this is considered to be a very nice pump. Now, is this a real pump? Will it continue? And what is happening right now? And what has caused this in particular? And quite frankly, guys, you really want to watch this video until the end because you're going to hear something that you are probably not expecting. And the answer to this is, well, let's get through this. So first of all, what we want to take a look at is whether we have a lot of liquidations. And the answer is not so much. And this is what has showed me right here in this liquidation data. So then we need to look a little bit further to understand as to what is happening. Is there any big news? We have an interesting piece of news, which is right here, which is basically Ferrari to accept crypto payments in the United States. This is good news, but I don't think it has caused this pump. But just in general, it is still worth seeing that Honda in Japan, one of the biggest manufacturers, car manufacturers in the world, also Honda is pretty huge, and also Ferrari are going in to accept money in crypto payments. And the reason why is they actually say right here in the article, it says itself, the car maker also plans to accept crypto payments, as actually it says that there is a lot of demand. Oh yeah, right here. States due to customer demand. So there is a lot of demand from people who want to pay in crypto for Ferraris. So, and I kind of understand, like even my Lamborghini that I recently bought, like I bought it partially with crypto because it's just so much easier and faster. And Dubai accepts crypto, so it's amazing. So anyway, but this is not something, and this is long term. This is a great outlook, but I don't really think that this is the primary reason. So let's get to the primary reason. The primary reason lies in this picture right here. So this is basically liquidity. And we have a lot of liquidity. This is a picture from yesterday. My team sent it to me. So we had a lot of liquidity at 27.6. And we have a bunch of liquidity standing around 24. So, and this is what I showed you previously. If we can actually go to the chart and zoom out a bit right here. So you're gonna see, as you might remember, I told you about this level right here, 24 to 25K level, and then 31. And this is the play area for the market makers to simply, bring people in, hype them up, then shave them, and then just make money up and down. So for this reason, like I'm still holding my long trade over on Bybit, my $700,000 long trade, and I'm not flipping short. However, this is a long-term outlook type of a trend. However, right now, what is happening, and now the most important part of the video, pay attention right now, please. This pump most likely is gonna end up being fake. Why do I say it's gonna be end up being fake? Well, for one, if we're gonna actually take a look at the volume, then we're gonna see that it's not that significant. And as you can see, it is actually tiny bit smaller than the previous pumps. So the volume is not very big. And currently we're actually standing at a very important level that has turned us around many times before, which is the balance area, the official, not official for the insiders of crypto, official balance area of market makers. And that is this level of 28,000. We got rejected here, we got rejected here, and we're potentially getting rejected right here as well. So if we're gonna go to a smaller time frame, you're gonna see like we touched it just precisely, spot on. We can break a little bit above to stop people out who are actually shorting from here, and then we're gonna move down. So it's like the smart money concept, basically. But the reason why I'm telling you this is because there is no good reason for the price to move too much. There were not too many liquidations. So what is this telling me? This is telling me that what I'm hearing from one team is coinciding what I'm hearing from another sources. So one side of sources telling me that this is a fake pump for us to go down and grab more liquidity and just stay in this vicinity again, shaving idiots and hamsters. So that's why they're saying that they really want to grab this liquidity that is standing lower. This is number one. But number two, other sources are telling me that this whole pump was just created by a degen whale group just to pump it up and then dump it down, just like it happened before, just like as they told me before a few times. So basically, this moment here, take this with a grain of salt. Nothing is a guarantee. Oftentimes, sometimes these whales, there are different groups of whales. Some whales can be liquidated also. Sometimes they get shaven too. I mean, they're not, immune to everything. However, this is the moment where they want to hype it up again and then dump the price. But dump it down to, again, 26, 25. So possibly we're going to see a very similar formation to the one we've seen right here, or previously 28K when we got rejected from this area. So this pump, according to my sources, number two, was created synthetically by manipulators just to get people in and then dump into them. So be very careful, and this is not financial advice, but if you want to take a quick short trade from here, from this point of 28k with a stop loss of like 28.5, just to make sure you have some room or a little bit more, and then with the target of like 26k, could be an interesting short trade just in a short-term vicinity. Again, join Bybit, 30k in bonuses, link down in the description of this video. And then also, once you join Bybit using my link, you can actually also join my Discord channel, where we post all of my trades and the trades of my team, all the smallest ones. Everything is there as well. And now, guys, I also wanted to tell you something that you really want to hear. Trading Bitcoin is amazing. Understanding these things and making informed decisions and informed trades in the market is great. And investing in Bitcoin long term is also great. However, there is a way to make a lot of money, like 5 to 10x in the next, I would say 12 months, regardless of where Bitcoin goes. And that method, there is a vacuum that has been created right now in the market when there is a supply and demand imbalance for a certain aspect, certain business model in crypto for especially early stage VC fundraising. So it is called algorithmic retro drop farming. And this year alone, in the testing mode, so to speak, I allocated 70k, 100k to my team. They deployed only 70k, and we turned them into $760,000. And now I'm going in with $1 million, and we're creating a pool with my insiders, etc. as well. And if you're interested in learning what these retro drops are, how they work, how they're different from regular airdrops, then you really want to use the link down in the description of this video and join the waiting list and get access to my private retro drop channel, where there is going to be, and it already is, some education being posted on the topic of retro drops, where I explain what it is, how it works, and why it will work only for the next 12 months, and how you could also make 5 to 10x on your money almost risk-free without no trading in the next 12 months. And this is what the website looks like. What you need to do is, it's wolfofretrodrops.com, and you need to simply click join waiting list, and then you choose if you want to join the Telegram channel or the WhatsApp channel. And then all the information is there, all the incredible content, all the useful information, and an incredible retro drop file which contains 20 pages of information on how it all works, all the examples and all the reasoning. If you miss this opportunity now, then you will miss out basically on 5 to 10x, because this, after a year, when everybody comes in and once this gains a lot of hype, this will not be as profitable. It's simple math. So I'm the only one who is bringing this to you. I'm the only one who is bringing you insider information from insiders who are manipulating the market right now, so that you make more informed trading decisions. And I'm also bringing you a way of making 5 to 10x in the crypto space while everybody's sleeping and doing nothing, almost nothing, while we are making crazy money. And so can you, because you're part of my community. So check it out. Link to the waiting list of Wolf of Retro Drops down in the description of this video, as well as in the pinned comment. And as always, peace and love. Tam Skralo. Stay smart, stay incredibly rich. And now you have all the instruments. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.